Good morning guys! Good morning everyone! So for today's video, isasama namin kayo sa mga lakad namin. So may mga gagawin tayo, may mga lalakarin tayong mga, hindi, for us, hindi siya ganong importante, pero kasi ngayon lang kami magka-chance na aalis. So may mga appointment kami. Basta, let's go!
Hindi kami makalabas. Meron si Kuya dyan. Today is Friday. Nag-off talaga kami ni Kat para marami kami magawa this weekend kasi may mga things na personal na kailangan namin gawin. And then yeah, so sasabay na rin natin yung pasyal natin and relaxing and everything. Kaya samahan niyo kami. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ang daming cars dito sa sa mainway ngayon. Friday naman. Usually walang cars. Okay. BRB. First on our list today is ICBC because
mag-renew tayo na
magre-renew si Kat ng kanyang BC Services card. And that's for healthcare. Healthcare lang, diba?
healthcare,
Yeah.
medical services plan.
MSP. So, kung hindi nyo i-renew yun, you can't have like free ultrasounds, doctor appointments, and basta lahat na covered under the general health plan. Hindi nyo makukuha for free. Kailangan yung bayaran. Like, kanina may appointment si Kat and it costed $80 kasi hindi pa siya nag-renew ng MSP niya.
Every parang consultation, follow-up check-ups, review of lab results, may bayad yun if hindi valid yung
Yung MSP niya. Anyways, so kung nakikita nyo, si Kat ang nagdadrive ngayon. And the reason why is minsan lang siya mag-drive. At saka wala naman masyadong cars since it's 11 a.m. on a Friday when everybody is working. So, relaxed lang siya. So, yeah. Wow. Okay. See you guys in a bit. Pag nandun na tayo sa ICBC. Yan na, ICBC.
para yun sa mga multitask drive.
Andito na kami sa ICBC. Kukuha na kami ng visa. Pupunta kami ng Japan. Ay, may napanood lang kasi ako kagabi and na-inspire ako na sabihin din yun. Anyways, dito din si Kat driver's test. Yeah.
Or dun.
Doon na. Dito.
So, hindi tayo natuloy kasi Wala naman kasi talaga tayong appointment for this. Yung meron tayong appointment ngayon is yung doctor. So, since off ako ngayon, parang nagbakasakali na lang ako na pwede kong earnin yung busy services card ko. But anyway, since wala naman, doon na lang tayo sa isa nating yung meron talaga tayong appointment.
May binigay sila na na card kay Kat. Walk in, customers accepted until 10 a.m. And then, so now we're gonna look for an appointment para dun tayo pupunta. If you need to go get your MSP or driver's license or something, scan this and book your appointment right now. Okay.
What's today?
BRB!
Then turn right onto Marine Way.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Booster Juice. We're just gonna buy our breakfast here. And then, I don't know, I'm so sleepy, you guys. But anyways, yeah. We're just going to go somewhere in Surrey. Ito ang adventure natin today.
So hindi namin inaasahan, napunta kami dito.
Sa Urban Safari Rescue Society. We've never been here. I'm excited.
That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
He's a ball python. He's a little one. He's like not too old. He's maybe like a year or two.
Oh my god.
He's just a baby. And I know he's gorgeous. Ball pythons are definitely my favorite snakes.
Are they full?
Are they?
Like they just ate?
Yes, yes. He
wow.
ate maybe not even a week ago.
Oh my god.
And he's just so calm. Once he's out, like in there, he's like, let me out. But once he's out, he's like, okay, I appreciate it. So she's just hanging out.
Oh my gosh.
It's so
She
cute.
is gorgeous, yes. And she's very good. Yeah. We used to take her on shows and stuff, but she's just too big now.
Oh my god.
She's wonderful.
What's this one?
It's a water dragon.
Look at that.
Very Avatar, very Pandora. I love that for you.
What is that?
A chameleon.
A chameleon.
Come a chameleon.
Let's see if it's gonna change color. Are you gonna change color?
Are you?
Oh my god.
Like a slug?
Sloth. Sloth?
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Cool. What is
You know what that is? That's a
African bullfrog? It looks like slime.
that. Wow.
It's another piranha. It's bigger than my hand. This is a snapping turtle.
What it does?
It snaps at you when it eats. It's very strong. Oh my god, that is so big, you guys. And they're very strong, you guys. These are snapping turtles. They're very strong. Another snapping turtle. That's crazy. These guys can live, the snapping turtles, they can live until 120 years. And here they have the more tortoises. Ayan. Nagme-meeting ata sila, guys. Wow. This is a nice area. Koi. Oo.
Maraming tao pala.
Oh, may farm area pa sila dito. Wow.
Hello, guinea pig.
There are pigs in here. What are these? Oh.
Guinea pigs. So beautiful. Hello, guinea pigs.
This one is another pageant. Golden. So beautiful. There's a giant rabbit here. A giant rabbit. See, look at that. Oh my god. He's so big. And over there they have pigs. Rabbit village. Oh, the rabbits. And all of these are all animals. And
Run at your face and tear it up a bit good. Yeah, Toronto the massive.
So, tapos na tayo doon. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo sa aquarium.
we're just doing a tour of all the animals that we can pet right now.
Oo, kasi wala naman tayong work. Wala na tayong ibang gagawin. Mag-ano na lang tayo. Punta na lang tayo sa mga animals. Mag-visit tayo ng mga animals.
The entrance pala dun sa pinuntahan namin is $12. Pero yung $12 na yun, lahat na yun mapupunta sa care and food ng mga animals. So, it's a good place. Parang super genuine yung place.
Yeah. So, ang pangalan pala ng place na yun is Urban Safari Rescue Society. Rescue Society kasi karamihan sa mga animals
Yeah,
na
all of it.
nandun, puro rescue lang or yung mga puro sila rescue lahat.
May mga iniiwan daw sa mga door nila sa gabi or before sila mag-open. Tapos, iniiwan na lang kahit winter or anything. So, lahat ng mga animals na doon, hindi nila alam anong age, kung saan galing.
Alam lang nila kung what kind, pero hindi nila alam kung gaano katagal. Pero syempre, chine-check naman nila, parang inaano naman nila yung health condition ng animal na mga animals na iniiwan sa kanila. So at least kahit yun man lang alam nila na healthy naman yung animal and walang hindi kailangan ng urgent care or anything. So inaalagaan lang talaga nila, binibigyan ng shelter.
It's nice.
Yeah, and nag-aano pala sila, guys, meron din pala silang nag-hold din pala sila ng mga special events. So,
Yeah,
may gusto.
If you guys like animals and then you're gonna have a birthday or something, or yung kids nyo and you're in Vancouver, you can hire them for like an hour, 2 hours to give a presentations about the animals. Tapos dadala nila yung, I don't know, some animals, hindi lahat of course, pero magdadala sila ng mga examples ng mga animals, and then you can pet it or something like that. Basta it's very educational, and the money, the proceeds goes to the the biyahe to go to wherever, and also to the care of the animals. So
That's so
it's
true.
good. It's also ran by volunteers mostly and old people who volunteer.
Yeah, they're still looking for more volunteers, mga 16 years old pataas. And then, syempre, very open naman sila sa mga, sa mga ganyan din. Si Kim nga gusto mag-volunteer eh. So, titignan natin sa mga birthdays natin ngayon. But yeah, ngayon naman pupunta tayo ng aquarium, Vancouver Aquarium, kasi
Wala lang.
gusto naman makakita ng mga animals ngayon. So, let's go!
So nice. So peaceful.
with spirituality and stuff. And
Okay, we're here. We're here. Vancouver Aquarium. And okay, we're here na sa Vancouver Aquarium. And
Water?
siguro ano na lang, i-compile ko na lang yung mga videos so we can actually watch. I mean, enjoy here. Okay.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day.
We're done with our pasyal for the day. It's about 4:30 siguro, and we're gonna head home now. Probably gonna go swimming or something and make dinner. Yeah, I think today sa aquarium I really like the otters. It's so cute.
Very cute.
Yeah, I love the otters. They wash their face.
Nagsi-skincare.
Yeah. Okay. It's raining a lot. Kaya mamaya na kasi nababasa na ako. Okay, we're gonna drive home.
Sorry.
It's 4:18. Already so dark out. But now we're headed home now.
2,000 years later.
Okay, nasa bahay na tayo guys. Medyo mahaba talaga yung araw natin ngayon. Ang dami nating nilakad. And actually kanina pa kami nakauwi. Nag-ano lang ako, nag rosary. Kasi magfi-feast day na yung Santo Niño. Tapos si Kim, nagluto siya ng pagkain namin. Dinner namin ngayon, yung baked sushi. Tapos, ayun, medyo nakapagpahinga kami ng konti. Medyo salamat sa araw na to, Lord. Medyo marami tayong ngayon, nalakad ngayon. Kaya kain na tayo, guys!